Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Kat, and today's video we are going on another adventure. We've been doing a lot of adventure vlogs on this channel lately, so yeah. Where we're going today is a place that if you're from Nova Scotia you know about, obviously. It's called Peggy's Cove. If you're not from here, Google it. It's really pretty. There's a lighthouse and big rocks. I guess like a long time ago, like millions of years ago, the whole place was under a shallow ocean, but obviously now it's not. There's a lighthouse there, and it's a really cool place to just go explore and take pictures and stuff. So that's what we're doing today. Hi. Hi, doggo. Don't ruin my makeup. Not today. Not today. We're not bringing him because it's like not really pet friendly. There's like signs everywhere saying not to go down on the black rocks, and if you're from here, like everybody doesn't go down on those rocks because we know how dangerous it is. But if you're not from here, like I've seen a lot of stuff on the news of like tourists drowning in the ocean there and stuff because you slip on the rocks. They're like slippery and full of water, and then you're lost. So yeah, it's pretty dangerous. They have like things everywhere saying not to go down there, but people still do, which is really stupid. So we're not going to do that today, but we're definitely going to go have fun. I'm so excited. I love it there. I go like every year, but I usually bring the kids with me and stuff. Today we are not bringing the kids with us. I know.
Because I'm old in the 2000s.
Not jumping that way. You slip on the rocks, they're like slippery and full of water, and then you're lost. So yeah, it's pretty dangerous. They have like things everywhere saying not to go down there, but people still do, which is really stupid. So we're not gonna do that today. 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 Friggin' assassins.
John, check this out. That's some major core balance, bro. Core workout.
Fossil. There's another one over there.
Cows, isn't it?
Yeah. You confident enough?
I definitely ain't about to try that. I don't have enough confidence in my ability. I like climbing and shit. I'm not a jumper. I'm a climber.
The tide's probably coming in and we're like right here. Okay, damn, I'm leaving. Ah! Something else right here. It's like everywhere. I don't know what those are. Weird, different color pieces of rock. This is like a geologist's dream. Like, there's so much to see here in rock form. Are like all granite. That is so crazy. Pelican shit. Nice. The ocean is so treacherous. Oh my god. This is crazy. Wow. Holy shit. Mitchell's gonna die. Mitchell! You better fucking get up here. I'm gonna scream. Oh my god. Don't you dare, please. He is scaring the fucking shit out of me right now. Get up here. Oh my god. He's gonna die and I'm gonna be a single mother. Rest in peace, Jonathan. No, that's a joke. But seriously, get up here. Please. Please, please. Oh my god, bro. John. I think that's enough, babe. Do you want to die? All right, I'm out. Well, like, come on, please. Mitchell, what are you doing? Oh no. Oh my god. Oh my god. Get the fuck out of there.
Not gonna do that today.
He's coming up, finally. Damn, motherfuck. Scaring the shit out of me! Of like a rock right now. OMG. Have you seen me right now trying to climb these damn rocks? You'd be laughing your ass off. It is literally hilarious. I'm trying so hard. They're still being reckless. If you guys get trapped in that, you're done. There's a crab everywhere. Oh my god.
This is the feed spot.
That is crazy. There's pieces literally everywhere. I'm keeping this. Look how cool this is.
Full fucking head guy over here.
Oh my god. Ew. That's dope.
Send him back into the sea.
Go.
Send him back into the sea, Raven.
What is this? Oh my god, I swear I'm crazy about geology. I need to like learn this shit. This is, whoa. I'm too close to the water for my liking. I didn't realize I was this close.
What I want to do, I want to go on that rock.
This guy over here is way on top of one of the rocks. I'm just like looking around, looking for like rocks and stuff and cool things.
Consciousness is always aware. You know what I mean? Like, that's just fucking witchcraft.
That was fun, but I'm exhausted. If you like my adventure videos and you want to see more, give me a thumbs up so I know. And also you can subscribe to my channel right down below. I post new videos all the time. And follow me on Instagram at KitKatChantel. I'll put a link down in the description box for you guys. And I will see you next time. Bye!